Large-size wooden wall art projects have steadily risen in popularity, capturing the attention of home decorators, DIY enthusiasts, and interior designers alike. There's a certain boldness that large wooden pieces carry, a commanding presence that fills a space with warmth, personality, and a sense of grounded sophistication. The beauty of wood lies in its versatility. It can be rustic or refined, reclaimed or polished, intricately carved or left in its most natural form. The grain, the knots, the imperfections all add character that other materials often lack. When scaled up into a large piece of wall art, wood can tell a story or create a statement that resonates deeply within a space. In exploring the landscape of large wooden wall art, one finds a wide array of creative directions, from geometric abstractions and organic freeforms to typographic displays and layered compositions that bring walls to life. Each project holds the potential not only to adorn a wall but to transform the feeling of an entire room. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and inspiring design trend that's about nature-inspired large wooden wall decor ideas. If you've ever wanted to bring a sense of warmth and nature into your home without losing that clean, contemporary vibe, then this style might be exactly what you're looking for. It's where earthy textures meet sleek lines, where the wild character of raw wood merges with minimalist silhouettes, creating furniture that feels grounded yet elevated. At Kuki Decor, we're all about helping you create beautiful, livable spaces that reflect your personality and values. So if you're ready to mix organic warmth with modern elegance, you're in the right place. And hey, if you love content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more design inspiration, home styling tips, and furniture ideas daily base. Your support helps us grow this creative community and bring you even more amazing content. Now, let's get into it and explore how organic modern furniture can truly transform your space. Starting with abstract wooden wall art, one finds a realm rich with possibilities. Artists and crafters often turn to geometric patterns like chevrons, diamonds, or triangular mosaics that fit together in satisfying repetition. When executed on a large scale, these patterns become rhythmic, almost meditative. The choice of wood type adds another layer of depth. Mixing walnut with pine, oak with cherry, creates subtle contrast that makes each section of the piece stand out. Such works are often left in their natural tones or stained with complementary shades to enhance the texture and definition of the design. Some artists push the idea further by burning, wire brushing, or distressing certain sections, creating a tactile quality that encourages not only visual admiration but also touch. In contrast to structured geometric pieces, some creators lean into the raw beauty of nature-inspired forms. Think of massive wall panels crafted from live-edge wood slabs, their sinuous outlines preserved rather than squared off. These pieces celebrate the tree's natural silhouette, often with the bark still intact. The grain flows in unpredictable currents, with spalting, burls, or knots acting as focal points. Such artworks are sometimes enhanced with river-style epoxy fills, clear or tinted resin that fills gaps, cracks, or natural voids, resembling flowing water or crystal veins running through the wood. Others use butterfly joints and inlay work to highlight imperfections instead of hiding them, drawing the viewer's eye to what might otherwise be considered flaws. When mounted on a wall, a massive live-edge slab becomes more than just art, it becomes a slice of the forest itself, frozen in time and space. These organic compositions tend to harmonize beautifully with earthy interior themes, blending particularly well in homes that favor neutral palettes, natural fibers, and soft lighting. Typography-based wooden wall art offers another compelling avenue for exploration. Words have power, and when carved, painted, or inlaid into oversized wooden canvases, they resonate both visually and emotionally. Artists may choose to route out inspirational phrases, family names, or significant dates in elegant scripts or bold block lettering, then backfill the letters with resin, metal leaf, or contrasting wood species. On a large scale, such artworks act as affirmations, daily reminders, or declarations of identity that personalize a space deeply. Some typographic pieces go further by using layered planks, where letters appear as negative space cut out of the top layer, allowing backlighting to shine through for a dramatic effect. Others play with rustic aesthetics by using reclaimed barn wood, creating a vintage, weathered look that pairs beautifully with farmhouse, industrial, or eclectic interiors. These pieces, though deeply personal, often find universal appeal because they speak directly to the human experience. Layered wooden wall sculptures also represent an innovative form of large-scale wall art. These designs often involve stacking and offsetting cut-out wooden elements to create a sense of depth and dimensionality. Waves, sunbursts, mandalas, or abstract organic shapes appear to ripple out from a central point, with each layer casting its own shadow and adding to the sense of motion. Color can be subtly introduced through stains, washes, or painted edges, but often the natural wood tones are left to speak for themselves. When crafted at a large size, these pieces can fill entire entryways, stairwell walls, or dining room focal points, merging art and architecture in a seamless way. The tactile appeal is enormous. Viewers often find themselves drawn to run their hands along the contours, feeling the layers like topographical maps of emotion and memory. Reclaimed wood features prominently in many large wooden wall art projects, particularly for those looking to incorporate sustainability into their decor. Salvaged from old barns, shipping crates, floorboards, or industrial buildings, reclaimed wood brings a richness of history that can't be faked. Nail holes, weathered paint remnants, and uneven wear marks are celebrated rather than sanded away. Artists might arrange the wood in herringbone or chevron patterns, or simply line it up in offset strips to create a textural patchwork. These reclaimed wood installations often span entire feature walls, bringing an organic yet gritty vibe that fits well in lofts, cabins, or modern rustic homes. The patina and weathering make each piece utterly unique, impossible to duplicate. What's more, many creators choose to leave some of the original marks and stamps intact, an address, a shipping code, or a manufacturer's brand, connecting the piece to its past and offering layers of narrative for those who pause to look closer. Wall art installations made from driftwood, branches, or logs offer a more raw and elemental feel. These works are especially impactful in coastal homes, lodges, or nature-themed interiors. Artists often assemble driftwood in starburst or spiral patterns, or they might mount whole branches or root systems as sculptural pieces that seem to erupt from the wall. In some cases, these natural elements are bleached or lime-washed to unify the color palette, while in others, they're left in their wild, weathered state. The sense of bringing the outdoors inside is palpable. These works resonate on a primal level, reminding viewers of time spent in forests, on trails, or by the ocean. Their organic irregularity stands in beautiful contrast to the often linear, manufactured world around us, offering a kind of visual exhale. Interactive or functional large wooden wall art adds another layer of innovation. Think of large pegboards with interchangeable wooden elements, or modular panels that can be rearranged over time to suit different moods or seasons. Some pieces integrate hidden storage, transforming into fold-down desks or display cases when needed. Others feature lighting elements embedded behind cutouts or within grooves, illuminating the wall in ambient, customizable ways. These hybrid designs blur the line between art and utility, providing both aesthetic pleasure and practical use. Especially in smaller homes or multi-use spaces, this blend of form and function becomes incredibly appealing. As we come to the end of this journey through nature-inspired epic wooden wall art ideas, it's clear that wood is more than just a material, it's a living expression of the earth's beauty and resilience. From flowing grain patterns and live-edge slabs to driftwood compositions and tree ring sculptures, each piece carries with it the story of time, growth, and transformation. These wall art ideas not only elevate the aesthetic of a space, but they also bring a calming, organic energy that connects us back to nature, even within the walls of our homes. Whether you're drawn to bold geometric patterns made from reclaimed wood, soothing forest silhouettes carved into massive panels, or intricate mandalas made with layered timber, there's something magical about how nature can be interpreted through craftsmanship. Every knot, texture, and curve is a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us, often unnoticed, until we bring it indoors and give it a place of honor. If this video inspired you to start your own wooden wall art project, let your imagination flow like the grain itself. Don't be afraid to mix textures, play with scale, or even incorporate other natural elements like stone, metal, or resin. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's expression. Thank you for watching and for being a part of the Indoor Eden community. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your favorite idea, and subscribe for more nature-inspired decor and DIY creativity. Until next time, stay grounded, stay inspired, and keep bringing the beauty of the outdoors in.